Hello, my golden friends. I won something. This is Victoria's Oregon a bus, and I won something from HIP BEE. You should go and watch them because they're very entertaining. They have great information, and they go places, and they tell you where they went. It's not a big secret. So you can access some of these rivers they go to in New Hampshire and probably find some gold of your own. So I subscribe to them, and you should too. And look what I got. I got me a box of honey. Now these are worth their weight in gold. My goodness. I don't know how they make them, but Ryan got into the grape one immediately, and he was like so excited. I gotta find my cherry one before Ryan does. That'd be all gone. These are really good. And then we haven't even explored the honey candy. I can't wait for that. And look at these. I am just up on the roof of my camper. Gonna seal I'm sealing the edges and everything, and I'm washing it. And then I am going to put that guy and all the stickers that I got from the first Flash Bash I went to, which was 2020, and I'm going to make another video of that. I need a new camera. I can't see what I'm doing, but look at all these goodies. We have a keychain. I can't wait to put that on the camper. I need a keychain for the camper. And then I got my own little badge. Belong to the club now. And this here, I've never tried honey in my coffee, but I'm going to give it a try. But look at this. Just for joining. Just for subscribing. It came in one day. I strongly suggest, folks, that subscribe to HIP BEE. Tom and Wes are wonderful people, and they make really entertaining videos. I don't know whether I like watching them dig in the dirt or watching them cook better. Wes can really swing a mean skillet on a fire, so I really enjoy their show, and I think you should too. Well, I wanted to show this because I was so excited about winning something. I didn't need another gold pan, or, well, one can always use another sluice, but I got one too many of those too. So, unless somebody's giving away a high banker, or maybe one of those Vermont-made fancy-dancy, not sluices, and you know who I'm talking about. I wouldn't mind winning one of those, and I don't care how old it is, or cracked, or anything else. So, this is Victoria's Oregon a bust. Give me a thumbs up. You know, unless your thumb is broken, give me a thumbs up, and maybe say hi. Actually, I put on my war paint just for you. At least you could do is say hi.